Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture on XHTML and CSS. Let's proceed with some more cool features that we have on XHTML, and one of those features is a drop-down list to select different elements or different options. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very simple, and we're going to use a new tag called the select tag for this. So let's go to index.html and let's go inside a container, and after the paragraph, this is the welcome page. Let's type the select tag and let's close it down here. Now between the select tags we have to type an option tag space, and now we type value equals, and let's say red, and now we close option tag, and inside or between the option tags we're going to type whatever you want to appear as an option of the list. So let's type red. Make sure the value name and the element name are the same. So what we can do now is copy this and paste it down here. Let's do another one and another one. So in here let's change this to blue, and here we type blue. In here let's type yellow, and here we can type black, and here we can type black. So let's save this, and this is basically what you need to do as in the code to create a selection or a drop-down selection list. So let's go to Chrome. Let's run this in Chrome. Okay, as you can see here, this is the drop-down list, and this is where you can choose any element you want. Okay, so you can play a little bit more with this and add some more elements to this as much as you want. Okay, this is how we create it. Now another thing I'm going to show you how to do is a text area. It is also very simple to create. Let's delete the selection or the select tags, and let's create a text area. So to do that, just type text area tag, and let's give it a name property here of, let's say, comments. And here we're gonna close text area. Okay, now this is basically what you need to create a very basic text area. And let me run this in Chrome and see if it's working. There it is. Okay, and in Chrome, in the Chrome browser, you can even stretch the text area as you wish, okay, to the size that you want. Very cool. Now let's go back and give a default size to the text area. To do that, instead of height and width, for the text area we use rows and columns. Okay, so rows would be the height and columns would be the width of the text area. Okay, so let's give rows, let's give it a 5, and cols, you type COLS equals, let's give it a 10. Let's save this. Let's see this in Chrome right now. Okay, this is what we get. Let's give more columns here, like 20 for example. Let's go back to Chrome, refresh. Okay, there it is. Okay, so we can even give a little bit more of this. Let's give it a 50. Awesome. Okay, and you can still stretch or increase the size of the box, but not decrease it. Okay, so this is basically what you need to create full functional text area. Inside here you would type anything, and probably in JavaScript I'm going to show you very cool features and tricks how to manage the content that you type inside the text area or inside any other element on your web page. Okay, I'm going to leave that to JavaScript because we need JavaScript to do it. So that's it. You are now able to create these two features, a drop-down list selection and also the text area. Okay, see you guys in the next lecture.